Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Iqoo Z10R smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. You can use two applications at the same time with the help of a simple gesture. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can enable this handy feature, shake to turn on the flashlight. By default, this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Select smart motion and then enable shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen or you are on locked screen, you can simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on the flashlight. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch voice assistant or Google Assistant instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Here select power button and then select launch power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your Google Assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time. And if your power button is not working, then you can open the control panel and there on the bottom you will see an icon of power. Click on this. That's how also you can launch the power menu. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down and then select smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Firstly, enable double tap to wake and then enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can fully customize the locked screen of the smartphone. You can change the clock style, you can change the font style and color as well. You can add your name or your quote. You can change these quick access application. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Select lock screen settings and then select edit. Tap on the time. From here you can change the clock style, you can change the font and you can also change the color. Click on cross. Now if you want to add your name, then tap on the date, select signature. From here you can write whatever you want. Click on OK. From here you can also change these quick access applications. After this, click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage in the status bar. To enable this, open your settings, select battery, scroll down and then select battery style and percentage. From here you can change the style and from here you can show your battery percentage. You can monitor your real-time internet speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and status bar, select status bar and then enable show real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open this notification center and control center. There's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. Scroll down and then select swipe down on the home screen. Select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area like this. Then it will open your control center and your notification center. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, you can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And for that, you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings, select notification and status bar, select notification history, and then enable use notification history. From now, it will save all the notifications that will come into your smartphone here and you can read them after someone deleted from here. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left to open this. Click on this little arrow to edit this. You can remove unnecessary application from here. You can add your favorite or most usable application. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window. As you can see, you can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere. You can even minimize it like this. You can keep on using your smartphone, and whenever you need that application again, simply tap on this. So you can use this feature to multitask in your smartphone. You can open any application in floating window. To do that, open that application, put it in recent application, and then click on the apps icon. There you will see an option of small window. Click on this, then it will open that application in small window. If you want that blinking flashlight effect for incoming calls, then open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down and then select flash notifications. Enable this. Now whenever someone will call you, it will blink the flashlight in your smartphone. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system management. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order or even style of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then select gesture navigation. You can go back like this, open your recent application like this, and jump to your home screen like this. If you want to change the order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down and then select system management. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these three buttons or change the style as well. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this, and jump to your home screen like this. This phone comes with always on display feature. To enable this, open your settings and then select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and then select always on display. Firstly enable AOD and then select AOD styles. It comes with really cool looking styles. You can select any of these. You can also further customize them. After this, click on apply. So that's how you can enable the AOD in this smartphone. You can change the sliding effect on the home screen. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Here you have some options. Select your favorite one and then jump to your home screen. So that's how you can change the transition or sliding effect on the home screen. You can also change the UI color in the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and then select color and styles. Firstly, enable system and app UI color. You can select from these color palettes or you can select any of these solid colors. After that, it will change the UI color of your smartphone. You can make dual or clone of a lot of application in the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select apps and then select app clone. It will show all the applications which are clonable in the smartphone. Simply select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone. As you can see, in my app drawer, I have 2 Snapchats now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. You can hide any application, lock any application. You can also hide your photos and videos as well. Simply open your settings, select privacy and security. Scroll down. From here, you can hide your application. You can lock your application from app encryption, and you can also hide your photos and videos from Google Files. If you want a separate video for that, please comment down. I will make a separate video on that topic. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot like me, then you can use the one hand mode. Simply open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, and there you will see the option of one-handed. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you want to enable that, simply swipe like this. It will enable the one-handed mode and you can easily use your phone with a single hand. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot. You can swipe down by using 3 fingers, then it will click a screenshot. You can press the volume down button and power button at the same time. Now if you want to click a cropped screenshot or a screenshot of a specific area, then tap and hold on the display with 3 fingers like this. Now you can select the area. You can also change the shape from here. After this, click on this save button. So that's how you can click screenshot in this smartphone. You can change a lot of animation in this smartphone, like finger animation, charging animation, etc. To do that, open your settings, select dynamic effects. From here you can change charging animation, you can change USB insertion animation, fingerprint icon animation, and much more. There's another option called ambient light effect. These are edge lighting. You can use it for music, for incoming calls, and for notifications as well. So whenever any of these action will occur, it will show edge lighting on the corners of the display. So you can customize a lot of effects in this smartphone as well. You can remove unnecessary object from your images. Open that image and then click on edit. There you will see the option of AI erase. Simply click on this, but keep in mind you have to connect your phone with any internet to do that, and with the help of this you can remove any unnecessary object or any person from your images. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Iqoo Z10R. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.